हम एक गेम खेलेंगे, ठीक है? Never have I ever kissed my co-star off camera. Really?
I mean, do I have to spell it? Oh, such questions.
Okay, meet up with someone half my age.
Yeah, I have.
Good job. I'm proud of you, mister.
Yeah, there she is. Bye. There, half the age.
Been in handcuffs in bed.
No, not handcuffs. I never had handcuffs.
But I have in your hand.
Yeah, I never had it here. In the film, I definitely did try to handcuff a leg first. In real life, I think I was tied to the back. I'm kidding.
It's all the same.
There's no handcuffs. There can be little nadas. No, I'm kidding. क्या बोल रहा नाड़ा?
Okay, nadas it is. Hooked up with a fan.
My lord, I have no idea. Never hooked it. Maybe gone out for dinner or something. Maybe treated her for a drive.
Boring. No.
No. Not that serious as you think.
Okay, fine. Sent a naughty text to the wrong person.
Oh, that from my phone. My friends have done. My friends have done it. There's a guy called Akshay Kumar. He's not a friend, but he's junior.
Tell me about this. क्या हुआ था?
कुछ नहीं. Whenever he gets my phone, जब भी phone हाथ में आता है तो भेज देता है वो कोई message. कोई लड़के को भेज देता है I love you, I can't live without you. And मेरे में बोला बाबा मैंने ये अक्षय को ऐसी बीमारी है.
Lust or love?
ब्रो पहले लस्ट होता है फिर लव होता है उसके बाद में केयर होता है. पहला लस्ट होता है जो भी देखेगा तो पहला औरत को देखेगा. एक लाइन में बोलने को बोला है but when I saw my wife, I wanted to be with her. I wanted to hold her. I wanted to kiss her. So is that lust or is it love? I have no idea.
Okay. Kinky or romantic?
Mixed.
ऐसे नहीं बोल सकता.
Why romance? रोमांस तो होता है ये पहले रोमांस फिर किंक आता है. ऐसे ही किंक करेंगे तो लात पड़ेगा.
Blindfolds or handcuffs? You're not.
No, hands should be free. हाथ बांधे मगर आँख में देखने का छोड़ने का नहीं बाबा. आँख के अंदर ही पूरा है.
Okay, car or elevator?
उफ खूबसूरत. एलिवेटर में दरवाजे जल्दी खुल जाते गाड़ी का अपने हाथ में.
गाड़ी एकदम safe and sound. Foreplay or climax?
Obviously foreplay. Yeah. खाना बनाने का मसाला के अंदर है ना कि मसाला क्या डाल रहा है उसके ऊपर है. Sorry guys to make it sound like मसाला. खाना बापू खा के फिर वो क्लाइमेक्स तेरे को मालूम है ना खाने के बाद क्या है?